Document management is, for most companies, an ongoing nightmare. Documents scattered across computers, emails, and local folders, missed expiration dates, difficulty finding what you need, stressful audits, and countless hours wasted on repetitive tasks that add no value. DocKeeper exists precisely to eliminate all of that. Today, I'll show you how you can have the right information in the right place at the right time, automatically. When you enter DocKeeper, you find a secure workspace fully dedicated to your organization. Here, everything is controlled: who sees what, who can modify what, and how information flows. Through user groups, we tailor access according to each person's role. For example, human resources only sees employee files. Maintenance only accesses machine documentation. Management sees everything, and external partners have access only to what they need. All of this is safe. Administrators always have full access, ensuring nothing is hidden or lost. Next, we move to the central repository, an organized, standardized location where each folder has a responsible party. This means you define what should exist in each folder and who ensures it happens. For example, employee folders with all required documents or machine folders with technical certifications. These checklists clearly show what's missing, what has expired, and what's compliant, so you'll never have a missing document that could compromise an audit or inspection. Adding documents is simple and flexible. You can upload a single document with all its metadata and rules, perform bulk uploads for large amounts of information, or, crucially, request documents directly from external entities like employees or suppliers. They receive an email with the request and upload the document. On your side, it only enters the system once approved, preventing errors or incorrect documents. This eliminates endless email exchanges and ensures information quality from the start. Once a document enters the system, DocKeeper ensures there are never confusing versions. There is always an active, updated version, but the full history is retained. During an audit, you can demonstrate the document's evolution over time, with no risk of someone working on an outdated version. To ensure no document ever expires unnoticed, DocKeeper monitors everything and sends alerts at the right time, customizable according to the intervals that suit your business. For example, reminders about inspections, licenses, contracts. You can even set recurring reminders for documents that expire every year. The result? No more missed legal deadlines and no headaches from penalties. If your company works with external partners, you'll love how DocKeeper allows you to share or assign entire folders to other organizations, always with approval from the receiving side to avoid mistakes. Sharing time, access, and responsibilities can all be controlled. Collaboration becomes smooth, clear, and fully traceable. Each organization can configure the platform to fit its needs: alert criticality levels, sector-specific metadata, allowed file extensions, everything to fully adapt to your reality without forcing changes to internal processes. When it comes to projects, DocKeeper creates a dedicated document space for each team. Even better, you can associate existing repository documents with the project, such as employee or machine folders. This means that if something is updated in the general repository, it automatically updates in all projects where that document is active. This avoids redundancy and ensures total consistency of information. If you need to work with subcontractors, you can create sub-projects for other organizations while maintaining full control. Within projects, documents can have an approval cycle. Only once approved by those responsible do they become visible to everyone. This ensures quality and compliance, particularly useful in regulated sectors, construction, audits, and more. Navigating the platform is extremely simple. You can view the full document tree to orient yourself, search instantly by name or tags, and even export a zip of the entire structured repository with a single click. In short, with DocKeeper, all problems of document disorganization and lack of control disappear. Your team can reduce up to 70% of the time wasted on repetitive administrative tasks, and management becomes preventive rather than reactive. Instead of chasing compliance, it happens automatically. DocKeeper transforms the way you manage information. Security, traceability, accountability, efficiency, and peace of mind, all in one platform. Are you ready to experience this change and make document management simple and intelligent? Try it at home.dockeeper.net.